we kept running out of lamination supplies in the office. So it led us to create the ultimate lamination station, and here it is. So we made it just for our in-house, in our office, but we feel it's such a fantastic thing. We made it as a product. Maybe you want that too. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration. So we make lots of signage, standardized signage for around our factory, and we laminate it. So we've got a remote control plug. This does come in the optional kit if you do want to add the laminator. It's a super high-speed laminator, takes 30 seconds to warm up. It does come with all these attachments. We've made it very easy to select the A6, A5, A4. We have a place for magnetic strips as well. That is separated by the card because obviously the magnets stick to the metal tray. Megamax Pro rear panel. These are adjustable, so you can put these anywhere you want. We have the hooks for tapes. We use a lot of glue dots. We call this a physical barrier. So once this is empty, no more, the employee or yourself, you need to remove this metal plate before you can get to the next roll. This stops not being ordered, and it stops the issue where, oh, we've run out of. So this card, in our scenario, it won't come with this, but you can make your own. This, we're gonna scan the QR code that emails our purchasing department within our business, and then they'll order it, and then we'll put that there so we know it's an order. So we're never going to run out of supplies with this ultimate station, and that was our goal because we felt very frustrated with the simple task. So now the laminator switched on, let me grab a pouch. Look, right there at arm's reach, very easy to get. Got a nice work surface with a cut-in top, so if you want to use a scalpel to cut anything, the top is cut. Simply put that into the laminator. You'll see how quick that goes through there. And in the meantime, see this metal barrier here, physical barrier again on these. Once you've run out of them, another card there to scan an order, and there's more stock below. So if you set it up like this, you're never going to face struggles with running out of supplies. Here you go. Comes out there, beautifully laminated. You want to trim the edges, look, you've got a trimmer there at arm's reach. We're not going to do this exactly, but you're going to get the idea. So we're going to trim the edge off there. We're going to do that edge. I'm doing it quite quick for demonstration, so it might not be perfect, but we'll give it a go. It's coming out quite well. That's the laminated sign. Do that. We're going to put the trimmer back there. Look at the cut-ins. What do you do? Put in the bin? No, we've made a slot for that. We've got a trimmings lamination bin here. Probably need to empty that once a year. So it's a wonderful thing. We found a problem, made our life easier, and now it can make your life easier if you wish to put this in your office or workplace too. Thank you very much.